Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Masterly Coder. In this video, I am going to cover Introduction to Python IDE, Introduction to Jupyter Notebook, installation of Jupyter Notebook, configure Jupyter Notebook, how to code in Jupyter Notebook. At last, we will explore some cool features of Jupyter Notebook. So let's get started. So first of all, what is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Is the daily use coding tool for a programmer which enables a complete set of source code editor as well as debugging featured building tool. Basically IDE वो प्लेस है जहाँ पे हम अपना कोड लिख सकते हैं, हम अपने कोड को डीबग कर सकते हैं, हम अपने कोड को रन कर सकते हैं. Next, some of the Python popular IDEs are Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Spider, Thorny, Ideally, Eclipse with PyDev. Apart from these, we have many IDEs available. In this series, I will mostly work upon Jupyter Notebook. So, what is Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter stands for Julia Python Ruby. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web-based application that allows interactive development in Python as well as over 40 other programming languages. Isn't it great? Features of Jupyter Notebook are it supports Markdown as well as enable us to add HTML components such as tables, images, videos, etc. It can be integrated with cloud. Let's go through Jupyter Notebook installation. We can install Jupyter Notebook in two ways. If you have already Python installed in your system, you can install Jupyter Notebook using command line tool. Just do pip install Jupyter. I will go through installation steps for Windows operating system. Same step you can follow for other operating system as well. Search for CMD to open command prompt. Once command prompt is opened, you have to write pip install Jupyter. Okay, then hit the enter key. It will install the Jupyter Notebook in your system. So the other way to install Jupyter Notebook is through Anaconda software. Anaconda is not an IDE, it's a distribution of Python, including a selection of libraries and other useful tools. Open your web browser and go to www.anaconda.com. It will open the official website of Anaconda. This is the official website of Anaconda. We want to install Anaconda, so go to products, individual section, then scroll down to Anaconda installer, and inside Anaconda installer you can see it has support for Windows system, Mac operating system and Linux operating system. Install according to your operating system. Prefer to install with latest version of Python. Just click on this. It will download the software. So now Anaconda software download हो चुका है. Let's install it. Double click on this. It will load the setup. You have to just move to next. I agree. Next. Next. And select both of these. Okay, then click install. It will automatically install the Anaconda software on your system, okay, within few minutes. Once the Anaconda is installed, just search Jupyter. So यहाँ पे Jupyter notebook आ जाएगा, आपको क्लिक करना है, एक विंडो ओपन होगी, wait for some minute. It will automatically launch the Jupyter notebook in your default browser. So once Jupyter notebook is opened, this is the default interface of Jupyter notebook. अब हमें क्या करना है, जहां पे भी हमें पाइथन की प्रोग्रामिंग करनी है, हमें उस फोल्डर में मूव कर जाना है. लेट सपोज मुझे डाउनलोड्स के अंदर अपनी सारे पाइथन का कोड को रखना है. एट द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर क्लिक ऑन न्यू. इफ यू वांट टू ऐड अ न्यू फोल्डर, click on folder. It will create a untitled folder. Let's change the name of this folder. Let's suppose Python Basics. So now my folder name is Python Basics. Click on this, go to new, click on Python 3 और आपके न्यू टैब में एक Jupyter नोटबुक की फाइल ओपन हो जाएगी, ओके, विद द नेम अनटाइटल्ड. अगर आपको नाम चेंज करना है तो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, लेट सपोज day 1. Okay, rename it. So this is the interface of Jupyter Notebook file. We have some menu bars and we have some shortcuts. This is the editor. This is called the shell. इसके अंदर हम अपना कोड लिखते हैं. Let's suppose अभी तो हमने कोई कोडिंग नहीं सीखी है, but we can write some mathematical operator. So 5 plus 6. Okay, this is an arithmetic operation. To run a shell, just hit the run button. It gave me the output 11 just below the shell. Okay, similarly I can perform other operations as well. Apart from that, if you want to run, we have a shortcut. Press shift and enter. Okay, either you can go with the shortcut button or you can do shift enter to run a shell. Now let's see some cool effects of Jupyter Notebook, such as markdown. You can mark down in Jupyter Notebook. If you want to write an heading, start with double hash, then write your heading. Let's suppose Python. And to mark down this shell, you have to select markdown. Now you can write anything. Python is most popular programming language. Next, to create a table, follow this command. Okay, when I will run, it will create a nice table. In your notes, if you want to link a website, let's suppose I want to link Wikipedia. To link a website in your notes, just follow this command. Inside square bracket, you will write the text, and inside parenthesis, you have to write the link. When you will click on this text, it will open the web page. Similarly, you can do many other things. Now, to attach an image, follow this command. Suppose there is an image in my current working directory with name mypic.jpg. How can I attach that? Exclamatory inside square bracket, give name to your image. Let's suppose img, and then inside parenthesis give path. Since it is in my current working directory, I can just pass name mypic.jpg, then run. It will attach that image on my notebook. Similarly, to attach an image from a website, instead of giving path, you can give website. When I will run, so this is Jupyter logo. Clear? So this was basics of Jupyter. We will see some of its advanced features in the upcoming series. So before ending this video, I have an important announcement. I will take live session on 26th May. Topic will be Python strings basic to advanced. For latest video and live session updates, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. You can also connect with me on various other platforms. Links are given in the description below. Thank you.